The latest addition to Samsung's smartphone lineup, the Samsung Galaxy F55 Guaranese. This phone is turning heads with its elegant design, impressive display, high-quality cameras, and overall performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just in the market for a new phone, you're going to want to stick around for this in-depth review. Let's get started. Design and build quality. First up, let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy F55G features a stunning vegan leather back that not only looks premium but feels great in the hand. This material choice is both eco-friendly and stylish, offering a unique texture compared to traditional glass or plastic backs. Complementing the vegan leather is a golden camera deco and frame, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to the phone's overall appearance. This combination of materials and colors gives the Galaxy F55G a distinctive and luxurious look that's sure to attract attention. The phone is impressively slim, with a thickness of just 7.8 mm. It also weighs around 180 grams, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Whether you're using it with one hand or slipping it into your pocket, the Galaxy F55G is designed for comfort and convenience. Display. Next, let's move on to the display. The Samsung Galaxy F55G boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD and Super AMOLED display that truly stands out. This screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details, making everything from browsing to watching videos a visual treat. One of the standout features of this display is its 120 Hz refresh rate. This higher refresh rate makes for smoother scrolling and more responsive touch interactions, enhancing your overall user experience. With a peak brightness of 1000 nits, the Galaxy F55G ensures excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. Whether you're using your phone indoors or under direct sunlight, the display remains clear and easy to read. The display quality is further enhanced by Samsung's Vision Booster technology. This feature optimizes the colors and contrast of the screen, providing a more immersive and enjoyable viewing experience. You'll notice richer colors and better clarity, making everything you do on your phone look even better. Camera. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Samsung Galaxy F55G is equipped with a versatile camera setup that includes a 50MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and 2MP depth and macro sensors. This combination allows you to capture a wide range of shots, from stunning landscapes to detailed close-ups. The 50MP main camera delivers sharp and detailed photos with well-balanced colors. Whether you're taking pictures in bright daylight or low-light conditions, this camera performs admirably, ensuring your photos look great no matter the setting. The 8MP ultra-wide camera is perfect for capturing expansive scenes and group photos. It offers a broader field of view, allowing you to fit more into your shots without having to step back. The 2MP depth and macro sensors add versatility to your photography. The macro sensor lets you get up close and personal with your subjects, capturing intricate details that are often missed. Meanwhile, the depth sensor helps create beautiful portrait shots with a pleasing bokeh effect, making your subject stand out against a softly blurred background. For selfie lovers, the Galaxy F55G offers a 50MP front camera that doesn't disappoint. It captures high-resolution selfies with natural skin tones and plenty of detail. Whether you're taking selfies for social media or video calling with friends and family, this camera ensures you look your best. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Samsung Galaxy F55G has plenty to offer. It's powered by a robust processor that handles everything from everyday tasks to more demanding applications with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, this phone delivers smooth and responsive performance. The phone is also equipped with stereo speakers that provide loud and clear sound quality. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or playing games, you'll enjoy an immersive audio experience that enhances your overall enjoyment. The Galaxy F55G features a convenient Type-C port for charging and data transfer, as well as a hybrid SIM slot that offers flexibility for users who need to switch between different SIM cards or expand their storage with a microSD card. The minimal bezel design maximizes the screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen real estate for your content. This sleek design not only looks modern but also provides a more immersive viewing experience. User experience. Now, let's talk about the overall user experience. The Samsung Galaxy F55G's lightweight and sleek design make it a joy to hold and use. Whether you're using it for work, play, or anything in between, this phone feels comfortable and premium in your hand. The high-quality cameras ensure you can capture memorable moments with ease. From stunning landscapes to beautiful portraits, the Galaxy F55G makes photography enjoyable and rewarding. The vibrant display enhances everything you do on your phone, making browsing, streaming, and gaming more enjoyable. The smooth performance and responsive touch interactions further contribute to a satisfying user experience. Whether you're multitasking or switching between apps, the Galaxy F55G handles it all with ease. Its powerful hardware and optimized software work together to provide a seamless and efficient experience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy F55G offers a well-rounded package that caters to a wide range of users. Its elegant design, impressive display, versatile cameras, and reliable performance make it a standout choice in the smartphone market. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Samsung Galaxy F55 With its elegant design, powerful features, and exceptional user experience, this phone is sure to impress. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Galaxy F55G is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and tech content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Samsung Galaxy F55G and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.